Hello guys, so in this video I will be teaching you about basically assignment operators and uh, like comparison operators in Python. So earlier I was using some online IDs to teach you in the Python language, but now I have installed the Python from basically you can just simply search download Python. As we are doing a basic tutorial, we are good with this basic like Python IDE, which is which is from downloadpython.org. You can just download it and it will install. You can create a folder. You have to just click on custom installation and select create a Python folder, and you can install your packages there. After installing it, you can actually check. So it will be giving you Python IDLE or Python. This is the basically run terminal in the Python. You can run your print commands and like run a like commands here. And if you want to create a file, Python file, you can create a new file, and you can also run your code like the Python code from here. So now I will be using this terminal and this file to teach you. And if you need any further dependencies, you have to actually go to your what we say command line, and you have to install that dependency. Like in future, if I will be teaching you some like if I will be telling you about some more packages that I need to install, then I have to tell you that how to install that basically. uh, uh, so guys, let's start with the basically assignment operators. So in Python, basically we have assignment operators are equal to, plus equal to, and minus equal to. So these are the like basic assignment operators. So equal to, as you already I have like told in the previous video, equal to is basically to assign a value to the variable. So for example, we have created a variable x. Now 5 will be assigned to x, and if we want to output the value, it will give us as output 5. You can see here 5. uh, yeah. And in on the similar lines, if like I want to add like 5 to x, it will do the operation, and now it is 10. If I use the plus equal to operator to increment, I will get 15 because I have added again 5. So plus equal to is means it will add that variable with that value plus x plus 5. Similarly, if I want to subtract 5, it will again give me 10. So these are the like basic assignment operators in Python, you can see, which we use. uh, so that's it in assignment operators. Now coming to logical operators. So logical operators are like for sorry, comparison operators, not logical operators. So comparison operators are basically to compare things. So they are like less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and greater than equal to, and less than equal to. So these are the like basic comparison operators. So if for example, if you want to check for some condition, like for something like whether x is less than this 4 or not, so it will return you true or false based on that value. So we use these operators. So if I want to check is x equal to 10, it will return true. And if I check if x is not equal to 10, it will return me false. If I check x is less than 5, which is false. And if I check x, like it is giving me true or false based on the condition. If I check x is greater than 7, which is true. If I check x is greater than equal to 10, now it is true because it is having equal to also here. If I check x is less than or equal to 9, it is false because it is less than equal to 10, not 9. Uh, so these are the like basic comparison operators. Uh, So I am repeating that. So this is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to are the basic comparison operators. And the assignment operators are equal to, plus equal to, and minus equal to. So guys, hope you like this video. Please please subscribe my channel, like, and comment if you want to, if you want any specific field area video. I will upload that.